Hey you guys, it's Brimarie and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a beauty room cleanup video because this room is just out of control. In just a few moments I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Actually, I'll just show you right now. So let me turn my camera around real quick. Let me go to my door. So, hey Bernie. So this is what I'm working with right now. I got stuff coming out of this closet. I got stuff all over this table. Stuff on top of my dresser, which this is my backdrop currently, so I need to make sure this is cleaned up because I want to film today. And then this is my real vanity. I don't really use it that much. I use this space more just because I have the whole setup here. Eventually I do want to figure out how I can move this around so I can start using this vanity again, because I used to use it all the time but then I stopped. This chair needs to go. Just a lot of makeup here on the floor over here. Some succulents, a dead one. I'm a plant killer, so I should not be having real plants. And then just like more stuff. I have giveaways stacked up in the back corner over there, planned out. And then this is just like the cleanest spot. Right behind these lights is like the cleanest spot in my room because I don't go back there. So I just need to like clean this up. I need to get a smaller table in here, but I probably won't do that today. I don't want this big one in here only because it's more of a mess, and I want a smaller one where I can just fold it back up and put it away so my beauty room will be clean. Brittany, what are you doing? Hey, cutie. Hey. Look at mama. This room is just a mess. Back here I have like a bunch of packaging stuff, so whenever I send giveaways, there's times showing you guys my beauty room, and it will be a cleanup one. I did not plan for that. So in my closet, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but I have all my makeup inside these drawers and inside these acrylic cases, as well as all that up there. I think that's like the neatest spot right there. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of work to do. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I personally like watching cleaning videos, so I hope that you guys do too. And I just thought that it would be fun to film me cleaning my beauty room. At least I'm working and doing something productive at the same time. So if you guys are yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your notifications and give this video a thumbs up. So if you guys would like to see me clean my beauty room, then keep on watching. You guys, look at all of my palettes. So many. I still have another drawer in that other vanity over there that has palettes in it. Those are the ones I mostly use, but like, holy crap. And I have to fit all these palettes in these two drawers, which still has stuff in it. I'm thinking about giving away or getting rid of these. So I'll see if anybody wants them. They've probably been lightly used. I don't know if anybody would still want them, but I'll check with my family first. So yeah, I gotta fit everything in these two drawers. I think I might take this out and put this somewhere else because these are just like singles shadows and then smaller eyeshadow palettes that I don't really use. So I'm just gonna take these out anyways. And then I'm gonna try to fit my palettes in these two drawers because it's just a mess, and I'm trying to organize them by brand. So I have all my ABH stuff. Look how old this palette is. This is an old ABH palette. This, and try to fit everything in here. I'm trying to see where I can put you guys so you guys can see, because I cannot hold and do this at the same time. It's too much of a workout. So I think that will work right there. So I'm just gonna speed through this. For you guys, it'll be fast. For me, it'll be probably forever, because I got some work to do.
Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the
So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of watching me clean my beauty room. It took me forever to clean this beauty room. It took me about 4 to 5 hours to clean it, and that's because like I really took my time. I was not procrastinating. I took my time. I cleaned, I dusted, I went through makeup, threw out makeup, rearranged makeup, and I took out that big desk that was in the middle of my room, and I just really wanted it back to normal and how it really is. So now I can see what needs to be done in this room. So like there's a couple more things that I want to do in my room. Like I want to add plants, like a tall plant in one corner. I want to add shelves above the dresser. So there's a couple things that I still want to do to this beauty room, and I'm just really excited. So once it's done, I will definitely give you guys a tour and like give you a tour of where I keep everything, even though you kind of saw like where everything pretty much is during this video, but I can definitely do like a more in-depth beauty room tour later on. But I really love the way it came out, and it's been a really long time since it's been like this, but it feels really nice, really fresh, really clean, and it just makes me want to work now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.